In today's lesson, you're going to learn this funky rhythm. So what you're hearing now is Sprinter by Central Cee and Dave. As you can hear, it's a really nice funky strumming pattern. There's some really nice chords. There's only 5 chords in this one, and there's also a nice picking pattern at the very start in the introduction. So let's get straight into it. We've got our capo on the 6th fret. We're in standard tuning, and the chords we need to know are an A minor. That's from the 5th fret to the 5th string to the 1st, sorry. And you can mute the 6th string if you want to with your thumb. Then we've got a B major. This is our hardest chord. That's from the 5th to the 1st string again, barring on the 2nd fret, and then 4th fret of the, what's that? The 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings there. B major, so A minor, B major, and then we've got an E minor. Open 6th, 2nd fret of the 5th, and 4th open for the rest. Then we've got a C major, 5th to the 1st string, check out the chord chart there. And then we've got a G major, all 6 strings, 3rd, 2nd, open, 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 3rd. So A minor, B major, E minor, C major, G major. And so now that we know our chords, just before we get into the intro, I've just started a Discord recently that you're going to love to join. We've got heaps of people joining in there. It's a community where we're going to learn lots together. We've got some good challenges coming up as well, and just a place to hang out. So I'd recommend you come join me there to learn lots more. But let's get straight into the intro. So we've got an A minor, and we're going to strum it once. And you might just want to strum with your thumb. Remember, 5th to the 1st string, then we're going to pluck the 4th and the 2nd string, okay? And again. And one more time. And then we're going to move on to our B major. One strum, and then we're going to go. Okay, so that's 5th fret of the 1st, 3rd fret of the 1st, 2nd fret of the 1st. So B minor. So if you can, hold that B, sorry, I called it a B minor, it's a B major. If you can, while you're holding that B major, then move your pinky up so you can still hear that B major ringing out, and then we'll move our middle finger, and then index finger. Okay, so A minor, B major, and then we're gonna go into an E major. That's 6th and 1st together. 4, 2, 3. Okay, 6 and 1st. 4, 2, 3. 6 and 1st. 4, 2 and 3 together. Okay, so let's go through that slowly again. 6th and 1st. 4, 2, 3. 6 and 1. 4, 2 and 3. Okay, so that whole thing, A minor, B major, and then E minor. Sorry, that's... Alright, and the intro does actually start relatively slowly before we get into a faster strumming pattern. Okay, so let's play through that once more at the correct pace. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll get into our strumming pattern, and really what's going to happen throughout the whole song is we're going to play the same chord progression that I'm about to teach you for the verse. Alright, so the strumming pattern throughout the rest of the song is going to be a funky one. It's down, up, down, 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 up. Now you can see that I'm keeping my hand in motion the whole time because I don't want to just be going down, up, down, down, down. I don't want it to be too rigid. So don't make it too robotic. You just want to be flowing as you go, okay? Down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, so let's try that on our A minor. And again. But you can hear there that it's not that nice to be letting it ring out the whole time because you don't get much variation. So what I'm going to do is, and try and mute there on the up strum. Okay? Okay, so let's try and do that a little bit faster. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I'm doing there as I'm muting is down, up, just placing my palm there on, near the bridge really, on the string. So, and then onto our B major. And then finally onto an E minor, and we'll run through that one twice. So let's go through that slowly again. Okay, and a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Alright, so we're playing that through twice there at the start of the verse. Then we're going to go again. Then C major. Then G major. So there, what we're going to do is but you'll notice there that actually in the song you'll hear. Now we could try and do that, but I find that it's a little bit too challenging to try and achieve that while you're doing the strumming pattern, and it's probably not worth really working that one out because it does come out in the melody as well. So let's try that through one more time. This is the third line of the verse. So the first two lines, A minor, B, E minor, and then again, then this one. And then back to our original one. And there, at the start of that last bar, we're just gonna mute it straight after we've played it and let it stay silent until we start the next verse, which is 4 beats after anyway. So it'll be 2, 3, 4. Alright, so hopefully you're getting the hang of that. So that's the first verse. And now just so we're fully clear on it, let's run through that whole verse up to speed and then we can move on. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hopefully you've got the hang of that. Sorry about the mistake in there. And really, that verse is just continued throughout the rest of the song. So that's all that you need to know for this tutorial. So don't forget about that Discord channel that I mentioned before. And otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.